I saw niggas like Ashton in the comment section. Ashton, must I remind you, your past 10 TikTok videos is on my sound. Your past 10 TikTok videos on TikTok is dancing to our music.
Guys, your king has spoken. You can't laugh at the jokes being made about him. Otherwise, he will go at you. You are supporting him by using his sound and promoting him. But you can't. Your image... Weet jy hoe baie my artists wens dat mense kan hulle muziek geniet? Nou wil jy sommer mense ban van jou muziekgebruik af. Nah, jy's mos a special kind of entitled. You're not allowed to dance to my music anymore. Must I remind you, it's my sound. Because you laughed at somebody's comment section. It's funny. That's funny. Sentimental. But I think the mental is getting to you, ne? Chill, Junior, man. Laat die mensen lachen. Hier, mensen mag eens meer lachen.
Don't confuse my emotion and my passion about the game for stressing. I'm not stressing.